Position the frame members face down on a safe surface. Then slide corner miter brackets into the end of the frame members and secure with supplied screws with an even pressure to obtain hairline miter joints. Insert the mirror into the frame at an angle, bottom edge first. With mirror resting in place, snap glazing clips into place as shown, maximum of 2 feet apart, on the insides of the long side frame members. Glazing clips keep the glass snug against the frame. Position top and bottom mount brackets to wall in desired location using 6 number 8 by 5/8 inch panhead screws. Space them accurately, and this will allow for proper alignment with mirror frame members. They should be 58 7/8 inches from top to bottom. Center the mirror frame over the mount brackets, left to right. Insert the bottom frame member of the mirror frame onto the bottom mount bracket. Push the top section of the mirror frame into the top mount bracket until it snaps securely in place.